Kanina, was it nung doon pa lang gusto niyo na i-challenge or was it chinik niyo muna? Yung napaulaw si
Yung buong coaching staff ko was was adamant in telling me na i-challenge namin, no? Tapos from afar nagko-communicate si Kaylan sa akin, no, na naka-vertical lang siya, no? And it was a crucial play, so I would not mind losing my challenge in that situation. So kailangan talagang i-challenge kasi pag binigay mo sa kanila yon, wala kang ginawa, mas lalong mahirap humabol. Turning point yun. That was actually a turning point.
Coach, they were saying kasi na parang after napakita sa big screen yung challenge.
Kasi wala akong alam na rule na gano'n na na pag naipakita hindi mo pwedeng i-challenge. Ang rule natin, ang alam ko, is basta dead ball pa rin. Wala pang nangyayaring subsequent na action, pwede mo i-challenge. Pag inabot na nung referee yung bola at nag-start na yung nun, wala ka lang habol. No? Pero mahaba yung dead ball situation, it is within the rules. Wala naman sinabi na hindi mo pwedeng i-replay, hindi mo pwedeng panoorin kasi meron din naman kaming mga gadgets to see that right away. Hindi naman bawal yun. So, I don't know. Siyempre, bias ako, pero yun naman ang pinanigan ng ng technical committee. Wala naman na pag-usapan doon na pag may nasilip ka ng replay. Kasi lahat naman kami sumisilip sa replay. Pagka meron lang ilang seconds na pwede mong silipin. I think that's up to the technical committee.